friends. It's Courtney Brickner, the CB behind the Crafty Brick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited you're here because we are on day 11 of our Fine Art Advent series. And it's been a really fun adventure so far. We are working with Arteza. So this is the cover that goes on this box right here. Here's the box. It's from Arteza. They partnered with Tiffany Anna, an artist that I really like. And we're unboxing every day something in this box. So far we've made 2 projects. We are working on our 3rd one right now, and we are on day 11. So here's day 11. We're gonna see what it is and add to our picture. So yesterday, actually I don't have my picture. Oh, here's my picture right here. Yesterday, it was interesting. We used some watercolors, and here are our pictures all dry. So you can see I have hearts and love and kind of a flower-esque picture. I'm interested to see what today brings. So let's go ahead, open this, and see what we get. All right, day 11 here. Let's see what day 11 brings us. What is this? This is coal black. Maybe it's a marker. Is it just, oh, it's just a marker. So we can add and maybe, cool. I just wish there were some directions. Like, what does this do to our picture? Do we go on the wax part? Well, it looks like it's just a regular marker, but a very paintbrush-esque tip to it. So, yeah, the way it moves is kind of more like a paintbrush. Let me show you the tip of this. It's an interesting marker. So I don't know if you have to go with the wax. You probably don't have to. You guys, you can do whatever you want, but I was just kind of accenting the wax parts, which actually would be great to do for our flower, because our flower, you could barely see anything. And this black would definitely make it stand out more. Cool. I still think I want to try one more. Now that I know exactly what it does, I want to try one more picture, kind of like an abstract picture. I'm going to try and use some firm pressure, because I think that showed up a little bit more. And then use our paint colors. So I'm going to try that after I finish this flower and make it a little bit better. Remember when I said at the beginning, I'm not really an artist. I'm just trying something new here. And I think it's going well. All right, so now we can see our picture a little bit better. Cool. I like the way this marker works, this little paint pen marker. All right, now that I know what I'm working with here, I'm trying another design with the same way that we did it before, starting with the wax pen, adding the watercolor to the picture after I add the wax pen. But I use a little more pressure with the wax pen, and I think I just have a better idea of what it's supposed to be now. So I'm trying out 2 different pictures. I'm trying a little Christmas one, and then just like, an abstract one that I just did. But this one I'm trying a candy cane, and I think it's pretty cool the way the wax pen, doesn't show up and makes it a cool picture. Then I just waited for both of them to dry. It really doesn't take long, just to, 10 minutes for it to dry. And then I used the black pen to fill it in. I think I kind of ruined this black pen with the candy cane because candy canes are white and red. So obviously that was already perfect to start. So I wanted to try it again. So I did another candy cane. And this time I just decided I'm not going to color them with the black. And I'll just keep it red and white because I think that looked better from the jump. So that's what I got. Okay, we're finished with our watercolor pictures. So these are our first two from the first 2 days. I think the black really made them look a lot better. And then I did a couple different ones, a little abstract one. That red really just looks the best out of all of them. And then I tried this. I think the black just kind of ruined it. So then I did it again and kept it white. So interesting how the wax works. I think the black kind of adds a little something and makes it stand out a little more. So I don't know. I like this black marker pen though. I think it's kind of nice how it's kind of like a paintbrush. That is day 11. I enjoyed doing this, a little different. If you're enjoying this series, please don't forget to give it the thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of the episodes that are dropping every single day. We've got quite a few more days. We're almost halfway through. I think, we're on day 11 and there are 24 days. So it's been really fun doing this. So I hope that you'll be here with me again tomorrow. I will be here with day 12. Let's get a sneak peek of what day 12 looks like, what the box looks like. This is our last one on this level, and then we lift up the top level and move on to the bottom. Let's see what day 12 is. Okay. One more thing for this project, I believe. I think it said. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. I'll be here. Hope you will too. Until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.